Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can use the aid at the subtract option on the Adobe Firefly generative fill option. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the Adobe Firefly website, and then we have to create our account, and after that we have to choose the action. For example, I have choose the generative fill option. So as you can see now, I have uploaded the picture, I have uploaded the image. You also need to do that. And after that, as you can see, if you want to select the background, you can also do that. For example, I have select the background. Now background will be changed. For example, I'm going to add like the nature. So let's add the nature, and then click on the generate, and it will generate the nature into background automatically. So we have to wait for a few seconds until it generate, and let's see the result. So as you can see now, it's generated the nature. If you want to check out this, as you can see now, I can also do that. If you want to change this, you can also do that. I'm going to click on the keep. If you want to click on the keep and cancel, you can also do that. As an option for the subtract, if you want to use a subtract, you can also do that. So I'm going to bring back the background. So as you can see, it's working like this. So in this way, the subtract option works. It will bring back everything as it was. So let's scroll this again, and let's see that. You can also control the brush size from here. For example, I'm going to increase the brush size, and it will work like this. So as you can see now, each and everything is removed and came back. So in this way, you can use the subtract option, and the function of this option is it will bring everything back as it was, like the reset option. So in this way, you can use the subtract. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.